show you how to do oil change the cleanest way. So for that you need a pump. For that we open the checker and we put the pipe in. Okay. Once it hits the bottom, we'll start. And now oil starts flowing in.
Very simple and efficient.
Once it builds enough pressure, give it 5 minutes and all the oil will be
Place.
After that you can change, after all the oil is in the tank, you can change your oil filter and put new oil back into this one. Is to add new oil. All done and it's ready to go.
Few moments later.
What is this?
The cleanest oil change in a car.
Today we are going to be doing